Hi and welcome. In this video we will show what you will receive in the box together with your Xsens Metagloves. This is what you will first see when you open the box. On top there is the quick start guide. On the right side there is the travel case with the Xsens Metagloves inside. On the left side you will see all the accessories for the gloves. The batteries to power your gloves, the dongle to use your gloves wirelessly, two link and two Awinda adapters to connect the gloves to your Xsens suit, two USB Type-C cables to use the gloves wired and to charge them, finger sleeves in 3 different sizes, 12 of each, 12 finger tapes, and that's it.